Welcome back, everybody. Sri Tips here, and these are some gold foils that I recovered from the 10 pounds of gold-plated pins. These foils were bound up in the precipitate, and I used a little bit of dilute nitric acid to dissolve the precipitate, and then I was able to recover these foils. Okay, we're going to do a little experiment here. I'm going to reach in and try to get some of the foils up into a little container here, put them in the spot plate. Now I'll add a couple of drops of hydrochloric acid. I've got a bottle of household bleach here. Gonna reach in with a pipette and get a little bit out in a pipette. Now I'll add the bleach to the hydrochloric acid and gold foils. I'm going to use the pipette to draw the solution up into the pipette so we can kind of give a stirring action here. And you'll see here in a minute that these gold foils will dissolve very quickly with just hydrochloric acid and bleach. Got a little piece of filter paper here. Get some of that solution on the filter paper. Add a drop of stannous. And you can see that we've got gold in solution. What I'm going to do is include this gold foil sample from my 10 pounds of gold-plated pins video in with the 18 pounds of gold-plated jewelry that I have for sale on my eBay store. So I've got to sweeten the pot a little bit on that gold-plated jewelry. I've sold it twice, and both times the buyers have backed out. So whoever buys the 18 pounds of gold-plated jewelry from my eBay store will get this vial of gold foils from my 10 pounds of gold-plated pins video that I posted recently. All right, that'll conclude the video. Thanks for watching.